Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you how I make these delicious easy cookies. Guys, this was so nice and it came out so perfect. You will love it after watching this video. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. As you can see guys, I'm using 250 grams of margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. And I went in with half cup of sugar. So I'm going to cream this until the color changes to pale yellow. Alright, so as you can see, the color has changed and the butter too has really loosened up. I will just go ahead and add my essence. So I'm going to use vanilla and pineapple essence. You can use any flavor of your choice, and I will just cream it before adding my dry ingredients. So while this is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and leaving a comment under my post. I do appreciate it. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing and welcome on board. Okay guys, so with my flour, I'm using all purpose and I'm going to be adding it gradually until I get the desired consistency I'm going for. If you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video among your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks, and we make anything related to food recipes, guys.